one of our coworkers at Channel 8 was in the courtroom when this all happened.
That's right. He shared with me what it was like to see this unfold just feet away. Chief photographer Lee Marion joins us now. Lee, you were the only Lincoln TV journalist in the courtroom at the time of this mayhem. To give people an idea, this is where Trail is right there. Where were you?
I'm just off to the left side here, standing behind these folks in the pew on my laptop typing away. A witness was coming in moments before this unfolded, and there's a few minutes of downtime while they're swearing in, and so I'm just looking at Aubrey Trail, just checking, seeing what's going on, and that's when things unfolded.
What's going through your head when all of this breaks out?
What happening? How does something like this unfold in a courtroom that has multiple law enforcement officers? From my perspective, you could see something was drawn, and he does proceed to cut his neck a few times.
Now, there is speculation that he may have cut himself with a piece of a blade, and you did see them walk out with the evidence in a baggie?
Yeah, afterwards, one of the officers is walking out with a plastic bag which has remnants and what appears to be a blade. There's obviously no way of knowing right now, but from my perspective, just sitting a few feet away, that's what it did seem to be.
Lee, you know as well as I do, we have seen things like this on a national scale in other cities, but here in the Lincoln area, we've talked to lawyers who said in their 20, 30 years of experience, they've never seen anything like this. We saw the security jump on the defendant and secure the area immediately. Were you ever concerned about your safety?
Just a little bit, obviously, with someone of this magnitude in the courtroom. But like you said, those law enforcement officers were on the scene, coming in from outside of the room, even jumping over a pew at one point to restrain Mr. Trail. And the judge was professional at the same time as well, telling those in the courtroom to please get out of the courtroom to remain their safety. And that's exactly how it proceeded after this happened.
Well, I'm glad you're safe, and everybody else, I'm glad no one else was injured in that. Thank you, Lee.
All right, Lee, thank you very much.